Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have 3 different job updates for today. So before that, do like the video and share the videos. So the first company for today, it is KPMG, and the second one is Target, and the third one is Strawman Group. So these are the 3 updates for today. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for each of these companies. So the first company, KPMG Off Campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for analyst, and the degree required, so it is for bachelor's degree, and the salary of the city, so the expected salary of the city is 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and the experience, 0 to 1 years of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role, and the work location is either Gurgaon or Pune. So these are the two different job locations for this particular job. So we shall quickly see the job details and the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So the eligibility criteria is that bachelor's degree and the 0 to 1 year of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role. And so you can see the skills which are mentioned. So you need to have knowledge on databases such as WorldCheck, Dow Jones and Google News, along with the experience using corporate registries. So these are the mandatory skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And apart from that, you need to have knowledge on Excel, as well as you need to be strong communication is needed. So strong communication skills, and you need to have knowledge, it is good to have experience with different languages, so both written as well as verbal, to apply for this role. So to apply, you can just click on apply now, and for this you need to give your email address, and here you need to agree the terms and click on next, and you will be navigated to the application form, so wherein you need to upload your updated resume, or you can apply with LinkedIn directly, or you can upload your resume and then you all the details will be applied manually, and you can fill your personal details and then your education details, and here there is some sensitive personal information like your date of birth, and here there are few questions. You can just add those, and you can add the experience left side, and you can add the education details, and there are some of application questions, and do add the certifications and languages which you can speak. You can add those, and the resume, and so the email ID and everything, and your name, and you can just submit the application form. So this is all about the first company, that is KPMG, and the second one, it is Target Off Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for data analyst, and the qualification needed, so for bachelor's degree, and the salary of the CTC, so the expected salary of the CTC, it is 11 lakhs per annum, and the experience, 1+ years of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role, and the work location is Bangalore. So then, coming to the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, so you need to be proficient in programming languages such as SQL, R or Python programming, and you need to be proficient in relational or non-relational databases, and here there are you need to be strong in mathematics and statistics and knowledge on testing. So these are the main skills which are needed for this particular role. So to apply, you can just click on apply, and it is through Workday Jobs. You have 4 different options. You can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually by filling all the required details, or if you already have the account with Workday Jobs, you can use your last application, or if you can apply with LinkedIn. So these are the 4 options to apply for this role. So you can choose any of these options and apply for this particular job role. So this was all about the second company, that is Target, and the third company and the last update for today, that is Strawman Group Off Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and that they are hiring for QA engineer, and the qualification, bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering or any other related technical fields, so they are eligible to apply, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the salary of the CTC, so 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, and the batch eligible, it is for 2020, 2021, 2022 as well as 2023. So these are the 4 batches eligible to apply for this particular job role. So then coming to the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So you need to be proficient in programming languages such as Java, Python or C#, and as they are hiring for QA, that is testing, you need to be familiar with testing frameworks and tools such as Selenium, JUnit or TestNG, and you need to have solid understanding of SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, and various agile methodologies. So these are the mandatory skills which are needed to apply for this role. And apart from that, so if you have done any of the certifications related to testing, so you are more eligible to apply for this role. And you need to have knowledge on CI or CD tools, and like it's an advantage if you have knowledge on CI or CD tools, then web technologies, databases, and then a knowledge of version control systems, that is Git, and performance testing tools such as JMeter or LoadRunner. So these are the main testing skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And then they have mentioned one certification, that is ISTQB. So if you have this testing certification or any other relevant testing certification, so it will be an added advantage to shortlist. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So you can see this is the application form. So first step is you need to upload your resume, and then you can upload the cover letter, and you need here in additional documents you can add the certifications and do add the personal details, your first name, last name, your phone number, then the country, and have you worked in Stratman Group, you can mention no. And you can see this like, do you have valid work permit or you are legally entitled to work, so you can select the answers, and then you can just agree the term and you can submit the application form. So this is the simple application form for the Stratman Group. So this was all about the third company, that is Stratman Group. So the link for all of these 3 companies, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.